Need to share your Wi-Fi password from one iPhone to another without typing anything? Most users don't know this built-in trick even exists. It's fast, secure, and works in just seconds. Let's share it right now. Before starting, make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for both your iPhones. Also, make sure that the Apple accounts are saved in each other's contacts. Now try these out. First, grab the iPhone you want to share the password from. Open Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure that the iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi network. On the second iPhone, open Settings, then tap Wi-Fi. Now try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network the first iPhone is connected to. Once you tap on the Wi-Fi network name on the second iPhone, it will ask for the Wi-Fi password. On the first iPhone, a pop-up will appear. Written Share Password. Tap Share Password. Within a moment, the second iPhone will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network. Then tap Done on the first iPhone. And that's it. You successfully shared your Wi-Fi password from one iPhone to another without having to type anything. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.